Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto brightness on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the Accessibility settings. Tap on the Display and Text Size option. Here, scroll down and find the auto brightness option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to auto brightness option and turn it off. And this is how you can turn off auto brightness on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.